And now I'm just like, I'm supposed to grab my old Warner again. I was like,
The Jackson bee's knees. Look, so can I peel it off? Does it come off?
Yeah, wherever you want.
This is all it is?
That's all it is.
This?
Yep.
This right here?
Yeah, and you gotta put these new...
But it's really this thing and this right here. So you replace all of this.
So you heat up the old one, rip it out, and then, yeah, they give you these, you slap in the new one, make sure it's nice and clean, put these guys in. And then,
Pretty simple.
Oh, super simple. I installed it in like 20 minutes.
Really? It looks like a jock strap, that thing.
You probably could. I just didn't feel like it.
That wouldn't be as cool. Come on.
I don't know. I'm not that creative, man. I do get a kick out of Stephen Wright's promo video for him. He's like, even though I've never had a problem with my knees coming out of a jacket. Okay, Stephen.
Okay, setting in it definitely feels better.
Yeah, I mean, it's not really much extra padding. It's just like you feel the kind of hook on your thigh.
Yeah, it puts a little point right there.
Yeah, it's on your well, or you can move them around. You can put them wherever.
Oh boy. Woo, the bee's knees. You can't feel them on there. There it is. And then you block out the sun with the bow. You got a little more grip. Those things work. They do have a little grip. You're right. It's like it's just pressing on the top of my thigh to keep them from coming out of the thigh hooks. It gives me a little more contact with the thigh hooks. The bee's knees and the Jackson antics. Let's see if it else on this wave. This boat goes really well. So I'm liking the bee's knees. I can feel them in there. And it does help kind of engage in the thigh braces a little better. Look at this. I could do that forever. That's so good. It gives you a little more grab to that thigh hook. So I'm saying they work. I think they definitely work for you guys that are interested in these things. I think the bee's knees definitely work. Like a little more engagement in the kneecap. Would I recommend them for 80 bucks? No, I'm thinking 30. Definitely a cool little accessory upgrade to kind of like similar to the Piranha hookers. The hookers work really well too. So you guys check them out. There you go, the bee's knees, huh? Yeah. I like them. I think they work. I think they do. Yeah.
Expensive for what they are, but they work.
How long have you been using them? How long you had them in there? You get them with the boat?
I got them as soon as they announced it, so like a month maybe.
Yeah.
I didn't get them with the boat. All their new boats are going to have them, so.
Makes sense, and you could just take that off if you don't want it.
Yeah.
It's actually a good idea.
Thanks for letting us out.